This is Flip TV News. Osun State Governor Ademola Adeleke has officially defected to the Accord Party weeks after leaving the People's Democratic Party. The governor made the announcement at the Government House Banquet Hall on Tuesday alongside national and state leaders of the Accord Party. Adeleke revealed he joined the party quietly on November 6 and will now pursue his 2026 re-election bid on the Accord platform. He says the decision followed extensive consultations with stakeholders and reflects his commitment to what he calls continuity of good governance across Osun State. According to the governor, the Accord Party's philosophy of welfarism aligns with his administration's focus on workers' and citizens' welfare. He added that his government performance in infrastructure, social services, and people-centered policies has earned statewide and international commendation. Adeleke described Accord as the new platform for victory in 2026, calling on supporters from Osun West, East, Central, and all communities across the state to unite behind the party. He pledged inclusive leadership and reaffirmed his administration commitment to ongoing development projects. This is Flip TV.